Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, December 4th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. It's snowing here again in Maine, and I'm on my way to the soap shop, pack up a few orders, and then I'm taking my Toyota into the shop for its 25,000 mile service today. And then I'm gonna go back home and do some marketing. But with that being said, I didn't really put together a video outline today or anything like that. I just thought I would shoot off the cuff and talk to you about silver. And you know, it's on a bull run right now, and it's going to continue to go up in value. And I was watching an expert in the field this morning talk about how he thinks it could reach $85 an ounce spot price in the next 3 to 4 weeks. So that's super exciting. I mean, right now it's about $57 and some change the last time I checked earlier this morning. But if you're not stacking silver, now's the time to start doing it, because I don't think it's going to go down. You know, it's going to continue to go up. And, you know, you're trading your fiat currency, which is backed by nothing, for something that's tangible that you can hold in your hand, and that's going to continue to go up in value, right? So it's kind of a no-brainer. And what I do is I work with a company that's been around for a while now, and they allow you to set up what's called an auto wealth delivery. So you can have silver sent to your doorstep every 30 days on autopilot. So you don't even, it's kind of like a set and forget. You don't even have to think about it. And they have an array of different things you can have sent to your door. You know, it's just a great way to start stacking silver without having to think too much about it. And then the other cool thing is they will pay you up to 7 different ways for sharing with other people. Right? So you can have retail customers, you can have preferred customers, which are just people who set up a 30-day auto wealth delivery. And then you can sign up wealth ambassadors like I am, where they will pay you up to 7 different ways by sharing the business and opportunity with other people. All right? And I can't guarantee you'll make any money if you join, because it's all dependent on your work ethic. And, you know, I'm not a silver expert, so I don't know what silver's going to do. I don't think anybody really knows what silver's going to do. But the trend's showing that it's going to continue to go up in value. And we know how supply and demand works, right? There's a finite amount of something that is in high demand. It usually increases the price of that. And that's what we're seeing here. I mean, silver is used in all the electronics, our cell phones. It's used in electric vehicles, the batteries. It's used in medical applications. It's used in water purification systems. It's used in solar panels. I mean, it's just, the list goes on and on. And there's only so much of it that's been mined so far. And you know, the value of it keeps going up. So the other cool thing that we're doing is, my sponsor and then some of our teammates, we're putting together, it's going to be a really solid business for 2026. All right. And what I mean by that is we're using a platform that's has also been around for a while, as the foundation of building this company, building our silver business. All right, and with this platform, you can earn up to $128 plus per referral per month. All right, so we're going to use this to build the landing pages, the capture pages, the sales pages. We're going to have a membership type page, a team page, I should say. And that's going to be the foundation. And then we're going to use this foundation to help build our silver business. And when we put the two together, it's going to be awesome. It's going to be like, you know, you want to make an extra $1,000 a month? All right, how about an extra $5,000 a month? How about an extra $10,000 a month? That's what this system is going to be designed to do. And again, I can't guarantee you'll make any money, because it's going to be based on your work ethic. And most people, you know, they don't have very good work ethics. But I will tell you that the ones who do, and the ones that put in the work, you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about. This system is going to be designed so that you can make some bank, okay, for if you take action. So I'll leave all the links down below for this if you want to check out the silver opportunity, and then the platform that we're going to be using. It's just a really awesome thing. And both opportunities, which this is what I really love, both opportunities do the same thing. All right. They take part of their proceeds every time that you make a purchase inside either one of these companies, or you have somebody sign up who makes a purchase under you. The companies will take money from that purchase and go and send it to Feed My Starving Children, which is a nonprofit organization who helps feed starving children and families all across the globe. All right. So you're doing charitable work. You're creating a residual income, which can be a very handsome residual income if you're an action taker. And you're stacking silver, which has real value. It's a real tangible asset that's going to continue to go up in value. Right? And you can help other people do the exact same thing. So it's just a winning formula. I'm super excited about going into 2026 with this. It's just going to be awesome. And the people who join our team, you're going to benefit. All right. You're going to greatly benefit from us, because we have a bunch of action takers who are builders, who build out huge organizations. And then with all these different income streams coming into this to build up our silver business, our silver empire, it's going to be awesome. There's nothing out there like it. Okay. I can promise you that. So, and I've been doing this for next year will be 20 years. I've been working in this home-based business, and I've been working full-time for myself since 2018. So when I tell you that there's nothing out there like this, I'm telling you there's nothing out there like this. Okay. So if you have any questions about this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. Again, I'll leave links down below this video so you can check out both the platform and our silver opportunity. And just hop on board. Now's the time to get in. Get in before the new year so you can start the new year off with a bang. Okay? So I hope you have a great rest of your day. I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.